Hey everyone, welcome to day 20 of our 31-day writing prompt series. If you're enjoying this series, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there is a link in the comments if you would like to receive this series in your inbox each day. For our writing prompts today, the open prompt is describe a place where power was negotiated rather than fixed. This may be a location where your character, or you if you're writing memoir, believed they held authority or control and suddenly realize they do not. Let the place reveal a new truth your character was unaware of until now. And for our directive prompt, write a scene in which a character enters a building. The space should impose unspoken expectations, how to behave, who belongs in the space, and who does not. Track your character's physical responses to the space. Use your setting's architecture, light, sounds, or smells to exert that pressure. After you finish writing, let us know in the comments section, how do you use setting to raise the stakes in your story? Happy writing!